vo into hey helai a hian bank ka kampa in account he so lai building so bank a song kan kala kampa in account a min e tamo ma bank account na chuanin kan ril tram to box se hunan Chinese restaurant cho ein kalang u kan tia chumi he dar som pakhat jing dar som pakhat vel chawni wang khanin mi pokhan la vak lo le apa ka ni min kha Thanksgiving te ni wang khanin na thok le he mi reng reng kha an tam lo a re ve ta pani chu holiday ang ve daw ni ta helama chuanin restaurant kan ei zo hianin kanu to kan tuma chumi ma chuanin hemi Chinese restaurant hi han to ve reng reng ila kan tia ke ma hi kalakal ngai mi alawa hemi restaurant tak hi chuanin ma se iwe sa hi chuanin an Chinese food reng reng hi thum thei tap mo chuan he a chung vel ani a sangha te pon lo khoya liam pui han chhumil an thur ne wa han hang tui don tak em te kan ti vela ma se an la play wangin he tuna hianin karon narrated top ta chuanin a chung vel tlem kalo hmu chawng an decorate sang te le customer ma saber kan ning ka sha an vak lo mo I an tuman lo ang ani me ka sha sol lo chuan a pia lama te son ni lo chuan hetia ang thau hi le lama son bok ta chuan amma ni Chinese theme do le khan an lo chei ve bok ta a eng moni authentic ta phei mo I China ve lo ka kan ang ve ta pani chu an tin I see.
So you can get mango,
Okay.
pineapple, passion fruit.
And food here not that expensive.
No.
14 and it's really cool. I hope they have fish.
It's like Mandarin chicken.
K2 cranberry juice
Did you
order.
guys eat already?
Yeah.
We ordered something special ni ve tho chana chu chi chun tikhan no mai tom da
Tuna and fish? Yeah, I don't think so.
What you gonna eat, Daddy?
I don't know.
Cranberry juice ka ina. There's one cranberry iced tea, right?
A raspberry.
Oh, I thought you said you changed.
No.
Oh no, you were ordering cranberry and you changed to raspberry.
Yeah.
Daddy gonna have no drinks today. No drinks for Daddy today. Oh, Rice Krispie. Looks good. This is hot and sour soup. Hot and sour soup. They're vegetable. I hope you like it. Kapag order, saka siya adlawin ka itir chini. 2M.
Tuluko.
How about you, Daddy? 2M.
Tuluko.
I love you. Nagtatakto kadila milon pia. Ingi o unlike hitim ko ha. An H ngi o. Yeah, so spicy. We entaw kumang to. Kum mabola ang top and make taste makito. Yummy. Oh, Daddy with fried rice. The fried rice looks good. It's a beef. Anyone want spicy?
You got any soy sauce?
Yeah, there should be some condiments, you know.
Well, we can ask her.
Instead of saying excuse me. Oh, why my spoon so small? Soya sauce.
Yes, thank you.
Anything
thank
else?
You.
That's
thank
it? Yeah.
Sure knew soy sauce.
I ordered chicken.
Yeah.
Did they boil but put
Fried.
something?
Yeah.
It's sweet,
It's breaded and fried. Yeah, it's more sweet than spicy.
Because Chinese always sweet. Even though they say spicy.
And you got white rice. Very good.
And I also got white rice. Right? rice. Did you order jasmine?
Yeah.
My jasmine is better at home. Oh my god, this chili is really...
Thank you, so good.
No, you're
Oh, that's
welcome.
for daddy, right? Oh my god,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's for my husband, I thought. How about this? This one is really cool with the food.
Ah.
Try it. It's really
No,
good.
I'm good, thank you. I like the
You will like it.
generous sauce.
Inako ta bar, ta akong spoony tail. Wow. So small. Right? 닭도 근데 왜
Here, do you want mine? It's bigger.
Huh?
Mine's bigger. Do you want it?
It's not the same?
No.
Only little. The same. Kingsto. Hey. Try my beef is sour.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Daddy, you order beef or chicken?
Mine is pork.
Hey, try my beef.
Okay.
It's really good. They're spicy, but they're good.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah,
Did you put your sauce on?
yeah, very tender.
I put that hot stuff on my food.
Yeah, it's hot. Like chocolate?
First, let me remove this one.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
That is cool.
yeah.
Ilan bill ka kandang. Oh, 22. Allow me, 22
calendar.
calendar.
That's cool.
20. Is this a gift too, pen? I'm not sure. But let's see what's inside the box. I'm taking break from my eating. Kaya like a solo. And sakto box. Wow. They say a pen for Jess and Tori. It's written here. Oh, yung lot. Kapakan fan veni kay Jess and Tori tin siya ka pen ko ta. Oh my god, the color is so beautiful. Right? Christmas gift ng pe veni chu. So hey fortune cookies ang kan ta chunga yan. Ingi ka na. We'll check it out what's inside, okay? Hey, huh? I want to try your pepper one.
You want to try pepper, Dad?
I'm good. I want to eat your food. I got lots of food.
Kampahin mo yung tato to na at chok me iso vector ni sumo. To na yan. Rice cho ba? Yam lo chok me di chok me ka chok me iso vector ta on rice. First eating what chicken and then rice. There.
Chicken, the veggies, and then rice.
Hey, katanya, I'm gonna choose maybe. Black Friday shopping niya ka lang ukang tiya kampain. Kalpe low tiya kampain. Eh, pasahan mga may kalang tiya yung kaldon tayo mo. Buat may timinaw ko. Let me bring it straight here.
Hey,
You wanna bring your plate?
finishing lunch. Tori bought me lunch. Yeah. We're coming over there in a few minutes.
Okay, open.
Hunan. Remember that Hunan restaurant we went to?
What's that? Can you
Yeah,
eat that one?
I'm having
spicy.
pork
Getting
fried
away
rice.
for the weekend will help clear your mind.
Getting
You
away?
sure you don't want
For the
something?
weekend will help clear your mind.
Okay, can you open
Huh?
mine? You gave my time. You can eat mine, but I will do it.
Well, why don't you just wait and
That is, yeah.
we'll bring you Taco Bell because we're about done here. Just tell me what you want, yeah. And I'll bring it to you. 3 Taco
Well, I have
Supreme, the
longtime
taco
friends to
meal,
give you advice.
and what do you want to drink?
You're an artistic person. Let your colors show.
Which color? Hair? Gray color?
Yeah, great.
You're silver and black.
Show your gray hair color. Purple. Kan ai sao cha hay kan ho to do na mo kan nu kan tlo don kan nu office kan tlo do na kan lau ti lang don na tem ka mail set up voin chu kan jai pe lo vlog po ka tum lo don thil kan ai chok la sa ka rom vlog me ni. Oh, I didn't even plan to vlog today. That's why I didn't do makeup much.
Yeah.
I'm ugly, but it's okay. My husband is handsome. There's a mirror, me. You know.
Yeah.
Where do I go?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh!
Methodist church.
Oh.
You know what branch your family's Methodist church is?
I don't know anything about it.
My college was Free Methodist.
What?
I'm not sure.
Greenville is Free Methodist.
I want to show them where Rana's walking. Hey, kan lut don ni mo he nung lama chang hey employment. Employer te chau lu na ham kha. Anya customer lu na ha chu dang ta mo hi. So the second one.
Hardworking wife.
Oh, Daisy.
I left my dang charger at home. I only have 18% battery left. And I'll just use my phone.
Hey, kan office niya tho na mo kan patlo ni.
I probably have it in the car in my suitcase. These are my 2 rooms. I have room for her.
Oh, they have gym
This is
too.
our gym.
Hey, oh my God, Mom,
Goes
I
all the
never
way
seen that
back to
before.
there.
Okay, kanute, is it for the like customer?
Yeah, it's for our patients.
Wow. Do
They
you work out?
physical therapy here.
Kanute na to na. Oh my
That's
God.
their waiting
That's
room
so
for their
cool.
patients when they
Oh,
come in. And
what's
that's-
this for? Cycling or what?
Yeah.
That's so
It's
cool.
like
I
an
didn't know
elliptical
that.
machine.
It's
I
like
never
one-
seen. I came here before, right? But I never seen
these are
this
all-
one.
Oh, I never
That chair turn around
Yeah.
and face. I see it. Turn
Yeah,
around
if
and
they
face.
turn around.
That's so cool. Hey, the strong.
Yeah.
So when they work, they all work on different machines.
Yeah.
Baby, let's run.
And then that's respiratory therapy. That's rehab for pulmonary.
Mhm.
And these are for the other doctors that visit. We have 2 rooms for them.
Mhm.
And we have these.
Is this the nurse's station?
Hey, and
These are
Tirvela.
private bathrooms. This is where we do our surgeries, our veins.
For what?
When we pull the veins, this is
Oh.
our surgery room.
Surgery room.
Yeah.
Wow,
We do them on Fridays usually.
that's cool. Nice tour.
And then this is
Oh,
our
bathroom
break
is
room.
huge.
Yeah, they're for wheelchair in case people have wheelchairs.
Oh.
There's our break room.
And TV.
Yeah.
Hey, kanute lunch break and all na chin, right, ma'am? When you do, oh, hilaw TV. Hey, lunch and a dong kan tanan true TV te han en chin tamo.
Laundry room.
Chan a tu shang te.
Our red card.
Laundry room.
What?
Yeah. And then that's our back door where my
So
car's
that's your,
parked.
Oh.
that's your defib.
Yeah. In case we have to shop.
Do you
something
eat
out.
Where's the paddle at?
TV man sit
They're up
chalaw.
there.
Walking like
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Paka drinks low kinga.
And then this is our
Hold
storage
for-
where we have all of our medical supplies.
Oh.
It's not the house.
No.
Toilet.
That's where I'm going.
And this goes to the nurses station. This is where our doctors from Champaign sit.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
That's the nurses station that you just saw.
Yeah.
And then this
Hey,
Dr. We
and room plan te kaum vek ni chuta.
It's Dr. Weirda's office?
Uh-huh. And then here's my linen that I still have to put away because I order all.
Is that where I slept before?
Yep. These are 2 vascular rooms. This is our nuke room where they run on the treadmill and then they go out through the garage to the truck when they do their nuke meds.
Wow. Oh, they have treadmill too?
Yeah, it's a nuke. They inject dye.
Oh,
And then this is our pacer.
that's so cool, right?
Yeah.
And machines that check the pacers, the hearts, everything in here.
Oh, wow, yeah.
They see how much life the
Like the heart?
they put pacemakers in them and they put these machines on them to see how much life is left in the pacemaker.
Oh.
If there's not much life, then they redo the
Life?
pace.
Their life?
They go back in and
Okay, nanay ganito. Ma'am, they said that your cooking yesterday was looking so yummy.
yeah.
And I have to learn so quick while I'm having opportunity. And they said you are so good and the turkey looks so good. That's
It
the
was.
main, the turkey, yeah, people were
The
like talking
turkey
about
was
it.
amazing.
Yeah, they love it.
The ham was pretty good too.
Yeah, and they said that, what was that they say about, yeah, they said about the prayer. Like, oh my God, I love Nana praying.
Oh, yeah. God bless that food. Don't want to get sick.
Black Friday shopping. Anh này á cái như chú cần mình vắc là hay thiếu ấy chuộc lại bên cái này mi cần nhà mà xe cần phải anh reng ngay nghe anh sort te shot nan mo kalau xoay don châu ni cái cameraman hilal jawan ya hello turo hilal jawa cameraman ready